Okay, part 3, getting more and more difficult. Type 3. Have attention. Challenging, this one, challenging. Now, thank you. Both are integrable. Look, ex, sin x, both can be integrated. Worse, neither of them becomes a constant after one or more differentiation. Think about it, because integrate sin ex, you get ex. Or rather, differentiate ex, you get ex. Differentiate ex, you get ex. You get the same thing. Differentiate sin x, you get cosine x. Differentiate cosine, you get minus sin x. And on and on. You to and fro. Doesn't help. Okay, never mind. Choose something. Do something. No choice. Eeny, miny, any more. Choose one. Right? I would choose to integrate e to the power of x. Differentiate e sin x. Later you realize the choice doesn't matter. The choice doesn't matter. But I'm just using this as an example. So, IKID, yeah? Let's do this together. Let's do this together. IKID. I integrate, I get e to the power x. Keep, I get sin x. Minus, integrate, I get ex. Differentiate, ik minus id, d, I get cosine x. Okay. Now, you will say, again, by parts rubbish, cannot help me. You get the same. You still don't know how to do this. Never mind. Give him one more chance, Ken. Second chance. Try one more time. Okay? Give by parts one more chance. Try second time. But for this second time, can I appeal to all of you to be more faithful and choose the same type of function to differentiate and integrate? So remember, be faithful, at least for the second time. Ken? Do you know what I mean by faithful? Okay. You know, right? Okay, good. You are faithful, right? Okay. So I integrate e to the power x again. E to the power x. Keep, I get cosine x. Okay? Minus integrate. Integrate, I get this. Correct? When I differentiate cosine x, I get negative sine x. Am I right? So I get negative sine x. I lazy, I put the negative like that. Can or not? Can, right? Plus c. You can choose to put a plus c there or not. The plus c there doesn't matter. Later on, you will have to generate a plus c anyway. But never mind, let's keep the plus c there. I emphasized just now, make sure you choose the same type of function to differentiate and integrate. Be faithful, that's what I mean. Okay? If you had chosen e to the power of x to integrate, here you do the same thing. Integrate e to the power of x. Now, okay. Let's simplify this again. I minus, multiply in, I get minus. Minus plus, I get minus again. I get minus here. Same thing. And then minus plus c, I get minus c. Okay. Still doesn't help. Do we know how to integrate this? Same thing. You realize this is the same as this. Okay. There's a hint here. How would you solve u equals to 1 minus u? You will plus u on both sides, or rather bring the u over, you get 2u equals to 1. Then u equals to half. Correct? That's what you will do, right? Hey, don't hustle loudly. Correct or not? That's how you will solve, right? How you solve this? U equals 1 minus U, you can say, or 2U equals 1, U equals half. Done. Now, if this is U, this is minus U, can we solve? Smart or not? Smart or not? I cannot hear you. Thank you. Huh? Don't get it. Right there. Okay. Done? This is U. This is minus U. I bring this across, I get 2U. Correct? So, to get back the same thing after 2 times of by parts is not such a bad thing after all. Correct? It's not such a bad thing after all. So now, we can find what is this integral. I correct myself, it's important to write a plus C here because you realize that when you reach here, you should get an integrating constant because integrate something, you should get an integrating constant. It's important to have a C here. Now, but we don't want 2. I want this integral. I divide both sides by 2. Okay, I get half. I have to divide both sides. This C also, I need to half. But I don't like to write minus C over 2. Can I put a plus D? I don't like C, I like D, cannot. You want to write E, also can. Okay, it's just another constant, it doesn't matter. Good? Easy, right? Easy? Fun, right? Very fun, right? This is the most fun integration to do, right? Of course. Good. Excellent. I hear a lot of talking, but I can see that most of you are trying to explain to your friends. Okay, so I'm going to pause for a while.